Okay, so this is me fixing my door latch and handle assembly thing after I had to bust the door open because I forgot my key. And all of these little tiny pieces that look like a complete pain in the ass, I can see little wear marks right there on the inside. It won't really focus on it. And I noticed there's wear marks on this piece. So I'm going to put it back together. And I already had it together once, but I took it apart again because I was so happy about it. I'm going to put a little bit of grease there, so hopefully it'll slide better. Oop. Yep, this is normal. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh god. Okay. So I'm going to drop this piece in. It kind of fits the shape of this little U shape, kind of fits in there. And there's two of these, and I don't know exactly what they do or how they work, but if I lay this one on top the other way, it somehow magically fits.